AI avatars are exploding on TikTok and it makes a ton of online bread. You can create avatars of you or an avatar that is not you. So let me show you how you can create these type of videos, go viral and make so much money that you won't know what to do with it. Sounds good? So as always, let's sit down and let me show you. Okay, first and foremost, my G, you gotta jump the hype train. The shit is going viral right now. Let me tell you about it. We're gonna create an avatar of ourselves, which will basically be our AI host. This will make the whole content creation process easier, faster, and make you more money. I'm gonna tell you 4 steps you have to follow in order to make this whole thing work. Make sure you follow all the steps because you are gonna learn a lot of stuff. So step number 1, the niche. Choosing a niche is basically choosing if you're gonna go viral or not. You can choose a generic type shit niche, uploading random facts one day, the other day you're gonna upload sad quotes, the other day you're gonna upload a motivational video. And if you have 3 different target audiences because you uploaded 3 different niche videos, then naturally TikTok is gonna get confused. It's gonna promote your generic type shit videos to generic type shit audiences. The first bunch of audiences probably won't engage with your content and then you're gonna be left with 100 views. So choosing one niche is very important. The good thing when it comes to AI hosts is that you can choose whichever niche you want. It can be news, fashion, cars, and one that is very popular is horror. Step numero 2. Scripting. I'm gonna tell you about the copycat method. No, you're not gonna copy stuff, wait. First of all, you're gonna do research. Do research on TikTok or maybe YouTube, which also works. Type keywords in your niche or your potential niche and find videos that have performed really good. What you're doing is actually finding proven content. So you're gonna take that video from TikTok or from YouTube and you're gonna go to this tool I'm gonna tell you, which is similarvideo.ai. The link will be in the description, by the way. Sign up for free, of course. And then you're gonna click features, AI script generator, get free video, and then you're gonna drop a short video link if your video is short, which preferably should be a short video, and you're gonna drop your link there, and there you have it. Basically you can copy the script and get ready for the next step. It's very easy, but preferably you can open Google Docs and start typing what you actually understood and got from that video. Step number 3, the host. We're gonna go back to similar video and we're gonna create our AI avatar. We go to features and AI talking avatar this time. So first of all, go to my avatar and create avatar. Just give it a name, whatever you want. And then you can set a voice for your avatar. You can upload any voice you want. If it is you, then upload your own voice. Similar video also has a ton of celebrity voices, which you're probably not gonna find anywhere else. So after you've uploaded your voice, and then in the sticker section, you can upload a video of you, which will work as a green screen effect like I showed you in the beginning of the video. Or if you want, you can create an AI host on leonardo.ai, completely free AI art generator, image generator, and everything happens very fast, which is a very good bonus when using similar video, and you basically have your AI avatar ready. Then you go to the create video tab, you add your script, you just copy paste your script, you add the script recording for the particular video you want to create. If you do want to make the horror stuff, I usually go to Pinterest and find horror images and use them as my background because they do be working real good. They are eye-catching, bring comments, and make people stick around. Then you go to my avatars, you click on your avatar, and you click generate, and boom! There you go. Step number 4, polishing. You're basically gonna edit it in CapCut. So just throw the video in CapCut, make some cuts if necessary, make some necessary adjustments to the video, like the contrast, highlights, make it look a bit better. Then add transitions if necessary, but usually for TikTok you don't need that. But what you need is auto captions. Go to auto captions, create the captions, and personalize them, like I tell you in every video basically. You know me, I like customized things. And when it comes to subtitles, captions, you don't want them to look the same as everybody else. So the main things you do, use a different font, use an unusual color, and add glow if it fits the font. See, pretty easy to customize. Finally add the title and you're pretty much good to go. Don't forget to check out similar video down in the description. I hope I helped some of you, and if you want to watch more, you can do that here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. See you over there.
The absolute worst ways people have died. A guy jumped inside a boiling geyser to save his dog. When they pulled him out, he had third-degree burns all over his body while he was alive and conscious. Moments later, he died watching his dog dying the same way. At the Grand Canyon, a woman jumped trying to commit suicide, but she survived because she hit a ledge that wasn't quite far enough. So she had to crawl until she could find another edge in order to finish what she started.